Why did the United States have the smallest amount of military losses? A. The U.S. joined the war many years after it started. B. The U.S. only sent a limited number of soldiers to fight. C. The U.S. was not in many major battles during World War I. True or false? After the war, many Americans, especially veterans, struggled to find jobs or work. True, false. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Many unions and workers, including the Boston Police Force, went on blank following the war. Deployment, strike, furlough, vacation. What was the Red Summer related to? A. An increase in Russians to the U.S. B. Deadly and violent confrontations between African Americans and whites in race riots. C. A large gain by Republicans in elections around the country. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The Red Scare was created by the fear of blank. Fascism, communism, racism, nativism. Decide the statement below is true or false. If the statement is false, please correct the highlighted word to make the statement true. Due to the fear during the Red Scare, the CIA was created to investigate threats. True, false. Raids on suspected communist supporters in the U.S. were called A. Palmer raids, B. Communist captures, C. FBI frisk. Why did President Wilson not run again in 1920? A. He suffered a stroke and was not well enough to run again. B. His party did not support him to run again. C. He did not have enough money to run again. Warren G. Harding was elected president due in part to what campaign slogan? A. 50-40 or fight. B. A chicken in every pot. C. A return to normalcy. How did the end of World War I impact the U.S.? Choose all that are correct. A. Labor shortages and strikes. B. Conflict between different groups of people. C. Americans wanted to return to a way of life before World War I.